Alright, I thought I would just make a video for people that are thinking about the idea of working from home. Maybe you are in a job that you hate or you don't like, or you feel like when you quit you're gonna jump up on the office desk of your boss and piss all over his desk. Maybe that's you. Hopefully it's not you, but maybe that's you. Then maybe this video will be for you. Now, I'm not encouraging anybody to stand up on their boss's desk and piss all over their desk on your way out the door. I'm not saying that. Don't do that. That's not right. Don't do it. But if you're like, you know what, there has to be a better job out there, and I would like to work from home, or I would like to work from, maybe I'm at a resort in Mexico. I don't mind working from the beach. I don't mind knocking off sand pebbles off of my laptop. If you're okay with that, then watch this video. There is a huge potential when it comes to working from home. What do I mean potential? I mean, like, there are huge pockets of money that are sitting out there right now online. You just have to be able to tap into the right organization. I want to make this video the most effective as possible for you so that you can really hear me, because there's so much scam and spam out there that it's ridiculous. But when you finally do find a client, and I won't talk about how hard it is, because some of you will actually not watch any more videos, and you'll go downstairs into your basement and start sucking your thumb because you're like, oh, okay, I knew it was too hard. I get so many comments from people going, thank you, Shane, for telling me that it's hard to become a closer. Oh, thank God I didn't waste any money in that. Oh, that would have been tough, because what I'm looking for really is I'm looking for a job that's easy, that I could just click, push a bunch of buttons, and away you go. Well, I hate to break it to you. Life is not simple. There might be processes that are easy. Sales might be easy. But to get there is a bit of a journey. That's what takes a lot of inertia, a lot of work, and all this kind of stuff. So what I'm finding, and again, this is from a guy that's on the inside. I'm with Sales Snipers. So you're at the right place. You're at the right time, the right place. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, thank you for subscribing, because hopefully you're doing it right now as we speak. It takes a bit of effort, but once you're on the inside, you kind of see the whole world open up to you, and the potential, the income potential is unlimited. Unlimited. I don't say this easily, but when you can grasp what the income potential is working from home, becoming an inbound closer is where it's at. Now, you can do other things. You could try other things out. But from my experience, being able to invest in myself with all the courses, all the training, I continually get trained 3 times a week by Jeremy Miner, Matt Ryder, Marco Cortese. And if you don't know anything about Jeremy Miner, go check out his channel, 7th Level. This is the guy that actually trains Google's salespeople as well. Matt Ryder, probably one of the fastest growing companies for sure in Australia, if not the world. I don't want to exaggerate too much, but check out Sales Sniper. They are going places. They are going places. And those are the types of organizations that you want to be a part of. You want to be a part of a trend. Imagine bumping into Jeff Bezos and going, hey, what are you up to? Well, I'm figuring out a way to sell books online. And you just slap him in the face and you say, yeah, that'll never work. Now he's like the richest guy on the planet. Or you bump into Elon Musk and you're like, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just working with explosives. I'm trying to build little models and stuff to see if I can go into space, because one day I want to go to Mars and all this kind of stuff. And you slap him in the face and say, grow up. Stop playing in the sandbox. Go get a real job. Or maybe you bump into a guy that's in his garage and he's working on this little box, this electric box, and he's typing away, and you're like, what are you doing? What are you and your nerd friend doing? Well, we're trying to figure out the algorithm of creating a thing we call the internet, and we're trying to create software. He's trying to build a nice, sexy computer. I'm trying to build software that doesn't get viruses and all this kind of stuff. And you slap them both together. You grab their heads and you smash them together, and you're like, go get a real job. Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. You just missed an opportunity. So I'm telling you, inbound closing is an opportunity that if you do it right, the income is unlimited. And I'm going to prove that in this channel over the next few weeks, months, all this kind of stuff. So you want to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be getting busier, obviously, and I won't be able to make as many videos because I'll be on the phone, I'll be on Zoom, all this kind of stuff. But I'm trying to let you know that this channel is poised to explode. We're on our way to 500 subscribers. You already see my journey. You've already seen my journey, where I was 6 months ago, 7 months ago. I'm now part of an organization, in my mind, is probably one of the best organizations on the planet. Things are only getting better each day, each week. And you want to be a part of this YouTube channel from the very beginning. I implore you, be a part of this channel, because you can see the potential. You can see a guy like me, where I'm going and all this kind of stuff. So be a part of it. Interact. Comment. Feel free to comment. Feel free to like my videos. Start your own freaking YouTube channel, because there's opportunity in there. Do you not think that once I get to 1,000, 10,000 subscribers and I turn on Google, that I won't be making an extra stream of revenue from that as well, with all the ads that'll be running through my channel? Can you see the potential in that? That's why I'm building this YouTube channel on the side as well. This is my other little pipeline. I'm in the niche of inbound closing as a closer, and I'm building up that niche. I want to be competitive. I want to basically own that area, so that anytime you type in inbound closer review, whatever it is, you'll see Inception Closer. Why? Because there are people that are going to want to advertise on my channel eventually. That's another stream of income. So we're just talking about YouTube. Now imagine having a client. Like Sales Sniper has tons of clients. They've expanded, I think, don't quote me on this, but I think they were at about 10 or 15 people a year, 2 years ago. Now they're over 60 employees. So they're growing exponentially. They're growing. Maybe it's even more than that, because it feels like more people are being added each week. So I'm one of those. They're growing by leaps and bounds, and you want to be a part of an organization that is going somewhere. So what is the potential? Like, I was in a conversation with another organization that they pay $300 for appointment setting. You set an appointment, person closes it, you make $300. So if you set 3 appointments and all 3 of those close with the closer, it's $900. If you are a closer and you get paid, let's just say for the sake of argument, 10% commission, and your package is $10,000, you're going to make $1,000 from that commission. Now, if you're new to the game, chances are your commission won't be that high. If it's beyond 20%, you're either a savage, or the company doesn't know what they're doing and they're going to fall off, because they're not reinvesting most of that money into their business. So if they're saying, yeah, we'll pay you 50% commission, it's probably garbage. It's probably a garbage company with garbage leads, and you're not going to make anything. So I think the sweet spot is about 9%. If you're starting off at 5, that's not the end of the world. If you're at 15, it's a bonus. So hopefully this helps. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we are going places. I promise you, we're going places. You want to be a part of it. You want to be a part of my Inceptionites. Is that even a word? Did I just make up a word? Yeah, if you want to be an Inceptionite, just put hashtag Inceptionite. Shows me that you've watched this video in its entirety to the end. That also helps me build up my channel. If you watch a video for 30 seconds and you leave, it doesn't help me. In fact, it squashes my videos, it pushes them down. That's it. I'm gonna go make coffee. See you later. Have a good one. Bye for now.